everyone, mabuhay! I am John Lloyd Embunao and our topic for today's video is all about the 4 basic travel motivators, which are the physical motivators, cultural motivators, interpersonal motivators, and the status and prestige motivators. First, we discuss the physical motivators.
Physical motivators. So, this travel is made for physical relaxation, unrest, sports, and special medical treatment or healthcare. All of these is motivate are connected with their bodily health and well-being. The second one is the cultural motivators. Cultural motivators increasing numbers of people are visiting different land having cultural importance and curiosity have been major reason for people to travel. Man is always curious of learn about foreign land, people and their culture. Third is the interpersonal motivators. Under this, people travel with the purpose of meeting relatives or friends or to escape from one's family workmates or neighbor for some times or to meet new people and make new friends or simply escape from the monotonous everyday lives. Last but not the least is the status and prestige motivators. Under this, travel is made for personal development, upgrading social status, learning respects, and honor.
Hi guys, for more information about the 4 basic travel motivators, I will reflect it to myself.
First, the physical travel motivators. Like me, I am traveling to play sports like basketball to help my bodily health improve and to relax myself. Second is the cultural travel motivators. We are traveling in one place to another to know their culture. Like me, I am traveling in Malaybalay to know more about the statue of Erection di Pueblo, which is the one of the culture in Malaybalay, Bukidnon. Third is the interpersonal travel motivators. We need also to relax ourselves and meet new friend. This is the one purpose of interpersonal travel motivators. That's why they are traveling. Last but not the least is the status and prestige travel motivators. Status and prestige. One of the main purpose of this travel is to make business and also develop our status and getting respect to others. That's why